What's going on, my dudes? Welcome to an unboxing video of the Razer Thresher 7.1 PlayStation 4 and PC compatible headset. I brought this today at EB Games for well, actually no, I got it for 198, I believe. It was on like 15% sale for Christmas, but usually it costs you about $229, and for some reason 91 cents. I don't know who realized that 1 cent was extra needed, but whatever. That's Australian dollars, so if you're American or from the UK or whatever, just put it in Google and you work out what it is. I think it's like 150 US-ish. These aren't the Ultimate Edition. I don't know if there's too much difference between the Ultimate Edition. It comes with a stand or whatever, but it was like $400, so I was like, this is all I need. So we're going to open it today and see what it comes with, and see how it works, and see how it compares to my old headset, and yeah, just see what's inside. Also, if you find this video at all interesting, helpful, or whatever above, feel free to subscribe and hit the like button down below. I do some unboxing videos. I've done it for games I've got in the past, my gaming PC / streaming PC, and stuff like that. So if you're interested in these kinds of videos, I have a few on my channel already, and I feel free to do some in the future if I've got some more stuff I'm going to get. But yeah, usually I do gaming on this channel, vlogs on this channel, and live streams on this channel. So if you're interested at all, feel free to subscribe. Okay, so starting with the box, it says 7.1 surround sound with Dolby headphones. It has lag-free wireless 2.4 gigahertz wireless dongle in a small package. Apologies. Up to 16 hours charge, and I googled it when I was thinking of buying what headset. I believe it's 4 hours to full charge, so not too bad if you just leave on charge overnight each night. Done. Retractable boom mic. This thing goes into the headset. And quick control on headset, so like mic and blah 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 sounds will change on the headset itself. And on the back we have all the relatively technical stuff. So you've got the headset where it's actually good for glasses, so if you have glasses, these actually take into account those, because a lot of them just stick them into your head, whereas these will account for it, and these are apparently really comfortable. So from the bottom, these are the headsets. We've got the USB here. It says Razer on it. It looks really cool. It has a little plastic cover over at the moment, just to keep it all safe. But we'll open it up in a minute. We'll test it out on my computer or PlayStation. But these are the headphones. If it comes out of its really cool packaging that keeps it all safe. These are the headphones. They feel relatively light compared to my old ones. I have Tritons that just broke, but these ones are pretty light. Very squishy. I was going to say comfortable, but I haven't actually put them on yet. But they're really soft on the inside, which is really good. And the band seems pretty sturdy. It's not like a really cheap plastic feel, which is always good. We've got the controls at the bottom here. So we've got the power, the mic volume, I think there, and then the actual volume in the headset, which is pretty dope. The sides also rotate, so you can sit them around your neck, which is really good, and they're actually really comfortable on, which is dope. Also comes with this small box in here, which I actually don't even know what's in there, but we'll find out. Open up this, now that I've worked out how to open it. Open up like so. Got this cord here, which is in USB to micro USB, which I assume is what you charge it with. Confirmed, micro USB port. It also has this weird compartment here in the top of the box, which is hiding a optical cable. I think it's optical to mini optical, I believe, which should work pretty fine. It'll look kind of weird, but the USB port in the back of your PlayStation is pretty close to the optical cable, so it shouldn't make too much of a wires mess. It also comes with, of course, an instruction manual, which shows you how to plug everything in, blah blah blah, where all the ports are. A good thing is the even a photo description and instructions of how to adjust your audio settings in your PlayStation, so it has the correct sound and etc., which is kind of helpful if you don't already know how to do that. As for the microphone, it's super easy to take out. You literally just pull it and it's adjustable, and that sort of wire that just sort of stays wherever you mold it to, which would be pretty dope for if you're in game and want to use it. Or then if you don't, you literally just push it back in and then bam, it's away. The cat is quite interested in this new headset. They are also slightly adjustable like this, but that's the entire movement, so there's not much flex in there, but it does move a little bit, which will help fit on pretty much anyone's head. But then if this doesn't move enough, this squishes a heap, so that should be fine. Now they fit really comfortable on, but I'm going to go live stream for 5 hours and find out if they're comfortable over a long period of time playing games, and also test out the battery life. I mean, it's supposed to be 16 hours, so shouldn't have any problem live streaming for 5. But yeah, we'll see how comfortable they are after several hours of gaming. Also, I just found they also give you a Razer sticker at the back of your instruction booklet, which is green because that's the usual Razer logo, even though it's actually blue on the headset. But you can stick this to whatever you want, really.
Okay, so I thought I'd give it just a quick initial reaction kind of review to the Razer headphones after using them for about almost 7 hours or so. Gaming, streaming, editing videos, listening to music, everything you'd really use a headset for. I've done for today. You'd obviously notice a few things over time, but initially, really like these headphones. Rate them 10 out of, okay, I was gonna say 10 out of 10, but I don't think I've had really any problems with them so far. I have some things I'm like, oh, that might wear down over time. For example, see those little wires there? They look pretty thin, so I'm a little worried about those wear and tear over time. But other than that, they're built really sturdy, they're super comfortable. They're really good at noise cancelling, which depending on what you sort of do with them, is either a good or it can be something you need to get used to. For listening to music, awesome. For streaming, I found it difficult to get used to just today because my headphones definitely had good quality sound, my old ones, but they weren't as noise cancelling because there wasn't as thick around the outside, so I could hear myself talk better. So when I was streaming, I found myself either yelling or not talking loud enough, and it's really hard to hear other people in the room, of course. But then it depends what you do with them. If you're gaming, if you're listening to music, that's probably a good thing most of the time. But yeah, other than that, dudes, that is pretty much the unboxing sort of initial reaction review and just what comes with the Razer Thresher 7.1 surround sound wireless headphones for the PS4 and PC compatible as well. Yeah, I hope this video helped you guys out. If you did enjoy or if it helped you at all, feel free to subscribe to my channel. If you do, I'll keep you guys updated on the headphones and how they work over time, and if they have any wear and tear or anything like that, or just if they continue being beasts, then I'll let you know that they're awesome headset and you should totally get them. Yeah, other than that, dudes, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to leave likes and comments down below, any suggestions or anything I need to know about the headphones. That'd be sweet. Yeah, you're all legends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. I can't